we're coaching and partnering. That's what we do in the Go Getter family because we want to win. When you're in these deals, we're going to a house right now in Dallas, Texas that we're buying by becoming the bank, taking over the existing mortgage. So we're heading to this property we're buying with no credit checks, little money out of pocket. They're $19,000 behind on the existing mortgage, and then take over the rest of the mortgage. Wait till you see this place. It's got an in-ground pool. It's beautiful. It's got pillars in the front. So we're taking this over. Right now, details matter. We're out here to buy houses, especially when we're about to buy a house for free. No money out of our own pocket, no credit checks. If there is a little bit of money, those delinquent payments, we'll get that money back on the down payment that we get from our buyer. We can sell it on owner financing. There's a lot we can do. Guys, think about it. Dallas, Texas, the land of milk and honey right here. And we're going to get a house that we're going to sell for $485,000. This is a great neighborhood. Look at these houses. We didn't have to qualify for this. I believe there's $300,000 left on this mortgage. $300,000. We're going to sell it for $485,000. This is, it's the big one. It's the biggest one on the block. The biggest house on the block. Look at this. Okay, guys. So she's coming out right now to let us in to go check out around the house. So it's in foreclosure. It goes to auction September 5th, I believe it is on this one. So we're going to do a temporary restraining order to delay the auction. Tactics, high level. Okay. Look, she's mad that she can't look at the dogs at our investment property. Oh, it's okay, Helen. Next time. So having your kids with you on the job. This is what it's about. That's one of the things about being, with somebody experienced. I knew they was nervous. I knew they was nervous. But it's cool because I was nervous once too, though. That's how the game goes. What puts them at rest because they don't know what's going on. So it is everything because they're like, oh my God, when are they going to sell it? What's going to happen when they do auction my house off? And then after that, where am I going to go? Am I going to get a house? All these things are running through their mind. And then can these people really help me? Because it sounds like with what we do, we're wizards. We're real estate wizards. So it sounds like based off of what everybody else told them that what we're telling them, it isn't going to work. It's not going to happen.
Right.
Because it's almost too good to be true. And it's for that reason right there that we're so valuable. Really. Because it is almost too good to be true. And we get to step in and do real estate magic. Pixie dust, dropping pixie dust all over that situation. So I went in there and I talked to her, man. And I just talked to her like a person and made a connection with her and empathized with her situation. And so now she trusts us fully. There's still maintenance, but for an instant $100,000 in equity for the biggest house on the block with no credit checks, no going in qualifying for debt, no filling out applications, debt to income ratios, any of that stuff, jumping through any of those hoops. Guess what? I'm cool with driving 4 hours, 3.5 hours from Houston to Dallas today to go walk into the biggest house on the block with a pool in the backyard so that I didn't have to jump through all the banks BS. You want to know why? Because I become the bank, y'all. We're having the How to Break the Real Estate Money Code live August 25th through the 27th in Houston, Texas. It's up to us if we want to win, and the regular people can win. So we're also going to have it live streaming as well, guys. So if you can't make it to Houston, if you're outside of Houston, don't forget, like and follow if you want more of these real life real estate tips. Y'all know what it is. Till next time, let's get to it.